Did you know that every year, thousands of lawn mowing accidents occur? And a significant percentage of them happen when people attempt to mow wet grass? In fact, studies show that mowing on wet lawns increases the risk of slips, falls, and equipment malfunctions, leading to injuries and costly repairs. But the dangers don't stop there. Mowing wet grass can also cause long-term damage to your lawn's health, something most homeowners don't realize until it's too late. Let's unpack why mowing your lawn when it's wet is a common mistake that can have serious consequences. Many people wake up after a rainy night, see their grass looking long and unruly, and decide to run the mower over it before the next downpour. It seems practical. After all, who wants their yard to look messy? But convenience can quickly turn into regret. The truth is, mowing wet grass is not just a minor inconvenience. It's a decision that can lead to safety hazards, poor lawn health, and even permanent equipment damage. One of the main challenges with mowing wet grass is the increased risk of injury. Wet lawns are slippery, making it easy to lose your footing, especially on slopes or uneven terrain. The mower itself becomes harder to control, and your shoes can quickly get coated in mud and grass clippings, reducing traction. According to safety experts, one of the leading causes of mower-related accidents is slipping while maneuvering equipment on wet surfaces. Even with the best intentions, a split-second slip can result in cuts, bruises, or more severe injuries. This is a risk that simply isn't worth taking. Safety isn't the only concern. Mowing wet grass produces a poor quality cut, leaving your lawn looking patchy and uneven. When grass is wet, the blades bend under the weight of the water, causing the mower to miss sections or tear the grass instead of cutting it cleanly. Torn grass blades heal slower and are more prone to disease, which means your lawn could suffer for weeks or even months after a single wet mowing session. You might notice brown tips, uneven growth, and an overall unhealthy appearance, outcomes that no homeowner wants. Another significant issue is the impact on your lawn's health. Wet grass clippings tend to clump together rather than dispersing evenly across the lawn. These clumps can smother healthy grass, blocking sunlight and trapping moisture. Over time, this creates a breeding ground for fungal diseases and pests. Lawn experts warn that conditions like dollar spot, brown patch, and mold thrive in such environments, turning a lush green yard into a patchy, diseased mess. Instead of nourishing your lawn, those wet clippings can choke it, leading to bare spots and unsightly patches. Soil compaction is another hidden danger. When you drive your mower over wet grass, the underlying soil is also saturated with water. This makes it softer and more vulnerable to being compressed under the weight of your mower. Compacted soil loses its ability to absorb water and nutrients, stunting root growth and weakening your grass. Over time, this can lead to drainage problems, increased runoff, and a lawn that struggles to recover even with proper care. Once soil is compacted, it's difficult and time-consuming to restore it to its former health. Let's not forget the effect on your mower itself. Wet grass is heavier and stickier than dry grass, causing it to clog mower decks and blades. This puts extra strain on your machine, leading to overheating, dull blades, and even motor failure. Regularly mowing wet grass can shorten the lifespan of your mower, resulting in more frequent repairs or the need for costly replacements. For something as simple as waiting for dry conditions, you can protect your investment and ensure your equipment runs smoothly season after season. There's also the issue of spreading disease across your lawn. Fungi and bacteria thrive in moist environments, and mowing wet grass can transfer these pathogens from one area to another. The tiny wounds created by torn grass blades make it even easier for diseases to take hold. You might not notice the impact right away, but over time, your lawn can become increasingly vulnerable, requiring expensive treatments and more intensive care just to restore its previous vitality. Perhaps the most critical insight is that mowing wet grass doesn't just cause short-term inconvenience. It can lead to lasting harm for both your lawn and your equipment. The combination of soil compaction, poor cut quality, increased disease risk, and mower strain sets up a cycle of declining lawn health and escalating maintenance needs. What might seem like a harmless shortcut today can can set you back months or even years in your efforts to cultivate a beautiful, resilient yard. So, what's the solution? The answer is simple: patience. Waiting for your lawn to dry before mowing is one of the easiest and most effective ways to protect your yard. Dry grass stands upright, allowing for a clean cut and even distribution of clippings. Your mower will run more efficiently, and you'll reduce the risk of accidents and equipment damage. The result is a healthier, more attractive lawn that's better able to withstand the challenges of weather, pests, and everyday use. Let's summarize the key points. Mowing wet grass increases the risk of personal injury, produces a poor quality cut, and can damage your lawn by smothering healthy grass and spreading disease. It also leads to soil compaction and can shorten the lifespan of your mowing equipment. All of these problems can be avoided simply by waiting until your lawn is dry before mowing. A little patience goes a long way in maintaining a safe, beautiful, and healthy yard. If you care about your lawn, your safety, and the longevity of your equipment, remember this golden rule: never mow your lawn when it's wet. Your lawn will thank you, your mower will last longer, and you'll avoid unnecessary risks and frustrations. For more tips on lawn care, safety, and creating the perfect yard, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay safe, and give your lawn the care it deserves.